Part 2 on how to use the large format. Okay, so first of all, you need your artwork. Okay, so this is how my artwork turned out to be like. Okay, then from here, when you finish designing your artwork, you have to convert it to a CMYK format. Okay, so image mode and then CMYK. Then you flatten everything and you click on OK. So everything is now flattened. Then from here, we have to go to file and click on the save as a copy, and then change the save as type to CMYK or TIFF. Okay, and then you rename your file and you click on OK. You click on OK again to save your file. Then from here, you will need your pen drive to copy your work on it. Okay, so insert your pen drive, then locate your file where you save the file to, and then you copy it and send it to the pen drive. Okay, so copy, open my drive, and then open my today's folder, and I'm going to copy and paste the work over there. So I have my work ready. Then from here, take my drive and then send it to the printing room. Okay. Alright guys, so this is going to be the part 2 of how to use the large format, or how to use the large format for printing. Here is my computer that we are going to use it for the printing, and also we don't have any material inside. So what we are going to do is that we are going to take one of these materials. Okay, so this is a banner, this is a banner, and this too is a banner. This is a 5-feet banner. This is also a banner, but we are going to print a sticker. So we have a sticker over here, and we are going to use this one to print it out. Okay, so we have to insert the sticker over here. Okay, so we have this that is going to hold the sticker in place. So let me bring this one here, and I'm going to position this one over there. Okay, so guys, forgive me, I am doing the video myself, that's why you couldn't see me doing this one, but basically this is what we are going to do. And also we are going to raise this part up just like this, and we are going to bring the other side closer. So from there, you put this guy in, you make sure it is inside, and also you check this area as well. So you see that this is inserted very well, and this one too is also inserted very well. Okay, so from here we can use this one to tighten it, to make it tight. And we have this rubber band over here, so we have to also push this rubber band all the way here, so we can start to move this one up. But you can see I made a mistake, so let me undo everything. Let me go back. So I have to wrap this one up because I have turned this one, so it's going to print on the other side. We have two faces of the sticker. We have the portion that we print on, and we have the portion that we don't need to print on. So I just made a mistake, so let me quickly change it. Okay, so I have to turn it around. So let me put the rubber band back just like this, and then let's open this one again. Remove it just like this. Alright, so I am done with the changes. Okay, so from here we have to move this guy. Let me go in front and show you something. So from here we have this bar that holds the sticker in place. So if you press this down, it's going to hold it tight. If you bring it up, it's going to open so that you can insert a new one. So let's go and insert this sticker into it. Okay, so let's roll it, and we are going to insert it over there just like this. So you can see that it's very simple. So we just have to push it a bit, and then quickly we have to tighten it or lock it. Okay, so let me stretch my hands just like this, and it is tighter, so it is in place now. Okay, so let's go here. All right, so guys, don't forget to follow for more tips like this. If you are on YouTube, to subscribe. Okay, So you see that this is title now, and we can use this one. So to turn on your large format, we have the button at the back. Let me go at the back and show you where the button is. So we have the button over here. You see that we have the on and off. So just click on it, okay? So when you off it, you have to wait for some time before you turn it on. So let me turn it on back. All right. So immediately you press on that, it is going to turn on just like this for you. Then we can use this one, the arrow keys here. So the down one to bring in the sticker a bit. So you can use the backwards to send it back, send the sticker back, and you can use the downwards to bring it in front just like this. Okay. Then from here we have these clippers. It is 2, so we have to use this one to clip this one, so just like this to keep it in place, and also use this one to clip it, so you can use something to help you so that it's going to keep it in place, otherwise it can cause damage to the printer head. Then from here we have to open the software that we are going to print on it. Okay, the other time some people were complaining that they didn't see the software. All right, so this is the software that we are going to use. You can find this software on the internet, but it's not necessary for you to go find it, because normally when you purchase it, the person who is coming to install it for you will bring the software and they will come and install it for you, just as simple as ABC. So this is the software. It's called MainTop. Okay, so when you double click on it, it's going to open. You can see MainTop, direct to film printing. Okay, so it is printing on the material directly. Then also we have the pen drive that we have the information on it. So let me insert my drive just like this. Okay, then from here let's open a new file. Then let's click on new. If you don't understand anything, leave me a comment in the comment section below, and also like the comment. Okay, so we are using a banner size of 4 feet. Okay, if you don't believe yourself that it's 4 feet, you can use this tape measure to take a measurement of it, but this is 4 feet and 4 times 12. Let me open a calculator for you guys to see. So I think I have a calculator here. So 4 times 12, so every 1 feet is 12 inches. So 4 times 12 is equal to 48. Okay, so 48, we have 48 over here, but when we take a measurement of this, we will get 50. So that's why we have made here 49, and this is the length, so you can type any figure over there, but normally I leave it at 200 and click on OK. Then from here let's go to our file and look for our pen drive and look for today's date. Today is 21st, and then let me open. So this is what I want to print. So right click, copy, then let's open the file. Then we have this one that is called import a picture. So let's import that, and then when I come here I can paste the picture over here. So this is a CMYK version of that. I have the video on it. I think that will lead this one. Okay, so I'll open this one, open, and I'm going to move it at the top over here. Then from here we have this one that is called wireframe. So when you click on it, it turns this one into a wire instead of showing you the picture, and this one helps you when you are arranging it. Then also we have this one, it's called show transform and copy panel. So let's open the copy panel. So we have changed it to wireframe, and also this is the copy panel. So the copy panel, so when you click on the vertical, it's going to copy to the vertical side. Okay, so I want to print 10 of these, so let's start making a copy. So first of all, let's select this one and come all the way here, and you see I have one over here. So let's do copy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So some of you guys won't see, so let me do it again. Let's delete everything, just highlight and delete it. So here is the one, we have the vertical one over here. Select the frame that you want to make a copy. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then right click on it and you will see rearrange picture. So rearrange, and let's type 0.02 over here. Okay, so 0.02 over here, we can copy, then let's paste it here. So that is going to be the interval. Okay, so this is going to be the interval for all of that. Let's paste this one here as well and click on OK. So it's going to rearrange for me, and you can see 8 9. So this is 8 9 10 11. So let's make one more copy, and then select everything, right click, and you see rearrange. Select everything, right click, and group. Then from here we have this one called show alignment and distribution panel. So alignment, and let's align this one to the center. Okay, then from here let's do a test print nozzle check to see if everything is okay. So I'll click on nozzle check or test print and see if my colors are okay or are good to go. So you can see this is it, and it's almost okay, but I don't feel the vibe, so I will do auto cleaning. It's going to take some time, so let me break and I'll come back. All right, so it's done with the cleaning, so let's do one more test and see. So nozzle test or nozzle printing to see the outcome. Okay, so this is perfect, this is cool, so we can start the printing now. Okay, all right, so once we are done from here, then we can come here. This is the print bar, and then we have this property. Just click on it, click on auto select the paper, so that the machine is going to select the paper, and click on OK. Then from here, let's move this one a bit up. So I'm just moving this one just like this. Okay, then from here we can click on this to start the printing. So you can see it is printing, sending print data. Then you can see that it has started printing. So printing with a large format is easy peasy. Everyone can start learning this one. It's very easy. You can do this one. It's not difficult. It's not difficult at all. All you need to do is to pay attention, and if you follow this, you can print with a large format. But mostly you need practical, because if you don't practice, you are not going to remember. So like you have to continue doing it day in day out, and you are going to be okay, or you are going to be okay with it. Yeah, so that's it. So I'll show you the final printout later when it prints a bit more. Okay, all right, so far so good. See how far we have come. It is printing very nicely. Yeah, it's printing very nicely, and I like the results. Everything is cool. So basically that's how you can work with a large format, use it for printing, and yeah, it's working very nice, and I like the results. So let's see how it goes.